Welcome everyone, how's it going, to our new and amazing cryptocurrency price prediction ICP Internet Computer for March 2024 on a $286 million volume for the last 24 hours. Not that much considering how the crypto space is moving around these days, especially that the last 7 days are down by 12%. We have been going through a so-called retracement naturally and organically. ICP is right now on a very interesting level, which is something I'd like to talk about it. Before we get into the topic, for those of you which are inspired by these trades and enjoying the content, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. At the same time, we have the trades that I'm doing. Simply, there's a $1.3 million profit on this one. We're still holding my BTC long since 38 grand, and we're still riding this one quite well. If you would like to be part of my trades, if you want to be part of this journey, you can definitely check out my trading journal and participate without any prior fees, just a commission from the pure profits made while the whole trading is running outsourced for you guys. Simple and straightforward. At the same time, we have the one-on-one coaching for anyone that is serious about this space and would like to go for financial freedom. I'll talk about it at the end of the video. Now on the ICP, the discussion continues, guys. We are in a movement of the market which is clearly indicating in the last couple of days, I would say, but we're looking into the daily, so it's the last couple of weeks, a slowdown in the buying pressure, a slowdown in the buying volume compared on the markets. This is the Andean oscillator indicating us that index from 2.13 has been slowly going down into the 1.51, and this representation is obviously indicating during the times the markets were pretty much going up like this, we were slowly decreasing the buying pressure, which means that we had people that were exiting out of longs during this phase of the market, people that have been speculating around, and people that were trying to monetize the current situation that we have been facing, especially with the market pump to the $17, which was unfortunately not sustainable. From there, we have a retracement so far of 29%. So that's 30 days retracement in the last 10 days for ICP, which is at the moment finding itself in a good condition of a reaction. As soon as it holds this structure, which has the low sitting on $10, as soon as it holds this one, we're not going to have any form of probability that would dominate towards the downside. We're just going to have a probability that would dominate towards the upside. This is a temporary support level that we're dealing with right now. So it's a great place of reaction, bringing the markets back into $16, $17 for March. That would be basically the first target right there, bringing back the market into the tops and seeing how does the 50 days 25 days moving average is going to react on the board. We're looking for seeing the BTCs following through a great reaction in the current market situation, which is also going to translate into the altcoins. We're looking for seeing the Ethereum recovering compared to the BTC, which will trigger basically another great altcoin season. ICP do not necessarily need to top out around $16 to $17. We're looking for continuing in the movement, which would actually represent basically the possibility for all of us to see the cryptocurrency hitting higher levels, such as the 21 and 23.5. Those are the two levels that I'm going to be pretty much careful. 21, 23.5, 24 with the extension on $25 as a very strong top, which would basically indicate a powerful retracement. So that would be another 50% from here, basically, if you consider actually more than 50% for here, considering the retracement we had, to a possible top. It is 87%, guys, from here, which is something ICP could print without trouble. It would be actually the movement we also had in the past with growth, which would actually translate the charts in the following structure. Right, so you form basically triple top your trace and then you push and continue basically much higher. Right, so this movement right here that we did in the past to create a first top should be taken and should be uploaded, should be added, inserted towards the next movement, which is expected. That's where we are with the ICP, with the targets on 21, 23.5. Obviously, we might not get there on March, less likely to get there in March, but for March, we're expecting $16, $17 top, basically to fill out the liquidity from that wick. And then I'd like to see if we retrace not to get below the blue line of the 1.618 extension right there on the daily. That would be basically $14. So the retracement must get stuck at $14, and from there we should go aggressively. That's pretty much all, folks, on today's video. Once again, subscribe and like this video. At the same time, we have the completely done for you trading without any prior fees. At the same time, we also have the coaching program, which is going to transform any person into a professional trader. A complete one-on-one coaching program directly with me, where I'll take you by hand and teach you how to trade between 4 to 6 weeks live. Have a good time, folks. Reach out for a free call with me on that topic. Check out the video to understand how does it work, and we'll talk to you soon.